What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one. If you are new here, you're highly welcome. My name is Eboh, and currently I am in Agbor. So for some of you who doesn't know Agbor is a city in Delta State. It's actually one of the, is it a town? Yeah. Okay, yeah, it's a town in Delta State, and one of the populous, I think one of the populous town in Delta State, yeah. And it's actually known as the college town also. So in this town we have these colleges
College
like
of Education, but it's no longer
Delta State University, but formerly known as the College of Education. Yeah, we have the State School of Nursery and Midwifery, Agbor. We have the Agbor Technical College, and also we have the Anioma Open University College, right? So guys, so this is what we can find in this town. And also here is kind of like a big place for tourist attraction. I read that on Google, so I'm not sure about that. So that's one of the reasons I came to this town to check things out for myself also. So in this video, I'm not going to be doing it alone. You guys already know how we do this video. We explore cities, we explore towns, and we explore countries. So in this video, we are going to explore Agbor to see interesting things and fun things to do in Agbor. I'm not doing this thing alone. I'm actually doing this with someone called Mary Mo. I pronounced it well, right? Is it Mo? Mo, yeah. Mary Mo. So Mary Mo, tell me more about yourself.
I didn't even see me. I'm too short.
Of course, I see you.
Anyways, guys, my name is Mary Mo. I'm a content creator based here in Delta State. So I'm gonna be showing Eboh media around Agbor because this is my town. Okay, yeah. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video and then find interesting things to do in Agbor. Agbor is really a good what's it called? Is it research?
What?
Like fun place, like you said it, you called the name like
interesting place.
Yeah,
tourist attraction.
Yeah, tourist attraction, because we're trying to build lots of tourist centers here in Agbor. Okay. Like so many things are springing up, but the major one, guys, you guys already know the Agbor water park, period.
Oh, I can't wait to visit
the biggest water park in Africa, not even West Africa.
In Africa?
Africa, wow. Honestly.
I can't wait to see that place.
You guys are gonna see that. So just watch out for Eboh's media videos coming up. But right now we are in a Fountainhead Resort. This place is called Fountainhead Resort. It's one of the most beautiful places in Agbor. It's one of the most beautiful places to visit here in Agbor, and it was I think it was commissioned early this year or late last year, 2021. Okay. So yeah, the place they have is like a hotel, different things, and it's really, really good. I think you try and get a drone shot of the place so that I have a drone shot.
Okay, yeah. So definitely. Okay, let's leave that story now. Okay. Let's get inside so we can tell them more. There's this saying they say, seeing is believing. Yeah, so let's get inside and talk more about that one. So guys, go get any refreshment you can lay your hands on.
Yes, so
let's explore Agbor town. Yeah, let's go, guys. So guys, right now we are at the Fountainhead Resort and Hotel. It's actually a very beautiful place. So we're here to show you guys how this place looks like. Beautiful. It's a beautiful place. I'm hearing hello at the background. I think someone is trying to stop me. But I'm paying attention to it. It's actually all white building.
Yeah, all white.
Oh, it's a very it's beautiful. Though I've not been inside, so we are getting inside to see the kind of facilities they have in these resorts. We have Fountainhead banquet hall, hotel apartments.
Welcome.
Thank you very much. How you doing?
Fine, sir. You don't ask for any place here. Are you asking for any place?
Am I asking for any place?
The thing is to make I show you somewhere.
Yeah, I want to go to the swimming pool and make inquiry, and after that I will go to the reception, to check out.
After that, this is the reception.
Okay, this is the reception.
Yes.
What about this? What is this place?
This place is a restaurant.
Restaurant.
And this place for up. Nah.
All right. Answer your. Okay.
Nah. This place up now. VIP lounge.
VIP. I can go up, right? I can go up and see those places. Down is the restaurant.
Yes.
Here is the
reception.
Where's reception? What about the lodge? Where's the rooms?
The lodge is still inside.
It's still inside there. Okay. All right. So that's the bar and the swimming pool. All right. I'll be right back. Let me see what's going on here. I want to ask you, like, since you started creating content, like, have you been kind of like interrogated or embarrassed while filming some certain places?
Several times. Like, it's becoming like I'm trying to get used to it now.
Okay.
It's becoming like a daily, like a normal thing to me.
Yeah,
like it's just normal, especially here in Delta State. They are not, I think they don't know, they're not
camera friendly.
Aside from being camera friendly, they've not started understanding the importance of social media.
Okay.
Even if you tell them you want to post it, they are like, why do you want to post it? I'm like, I want to help you advertise your
business.
So why be like, okay, why? I'm like, it's just because I want to help you advertise your business. It's beautiful. So they are not, I feel they have a long way to go when it comes to social media and, you know, like using camera and all of that. And then, I don't know, maybe we are scared of camera. I don't know.
I think that's a Nigerian thing as a whole, but most times now people are becoming more aware of
like
the whole thing.
Go to other cities, I feel it's easier in other cities.
Not really, like, but I think Lagos is more friendly.
Yes, Lagos is more friendly because almost everybody there is a blogger.
Exactly.
You understand?
Hello, bro. So guys, check out the vicinity. It's actually a very beautiful one. So this is the swimming pool and a sit out place for you to do your stuff, and that's the shower area for you to get ready before you swim. So guys, I think it's a nice spot to chill out, but for me I would just call it a hotel. It's just a hotel. So at the end of this, I will know whether I can go upstairs or maybe go into one of their facilities like the restaurant and the bar to see how it actually looks like. So it's amazing. So I think I'm gonna get a drink. Hello.
Morning, sir.
Morning. Which drink do you have here?
We have Monster, we have populous, we have pure heaven, we have Eboh bitters, and wine we have Festa, Four Cousins, Calorosi.
The new heaven is how much, please?
Which one?
The new heaven, pure heaven,
Pure
sorry.
heaven is 1,000.
1,000. Eboh how much?
Eboh is 1,200.
This up here?
Yes. We have any cane? No, Desperado is not.
Desperado.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Let me have Desperado. Then that'll be good. So guys, I think I'm gonna have a can of beer. Though it's very early, so I think I'm gonna have a can of beer. I don't know, just to patronize the business. And after that, I'm going to go into the restaurant or the VIP restaurant to see how it looks. What are you having?
Say hi to my friend.
Hello guys.
Eboh Media, right?
Eboh Media.
Eboh Media.
Eboh Media, right?
Okay, guys.
It's, you know,
I can't even say anything.
Guy, Desperado is done. How much? 1,000. If you come like this, you don't enter. If you come like this, you don't enter. So they wear you there like this. No, come like this.
I'm Lilian Umana from Aquarium State, working here at Fountainhead Resort at Oweki Town Hall, Agbor, Delta State. I was the Human Resource Manager and Funded Supervisor.
Okay, so you're going to show us the reception and the
reception,
VIP.
the VIP lounge, the gym.
The gym. Okay, you guys have gym here also. Oh wow, nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, we'll be heading to these facilities to show you guys more of these beautiful resorts. Do I have a balance?
No. Are you
really?
sure that?
All right, thank you.
Okay, guys, I'm coming.
So Mary, this is my colleague, Mary. She's also a vlogger.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mary Moon.
So let's go to the VIP now.
Okay. How long have you been in existence?
I'm going to 8 months.
8 months. Oh, it's actually a new place.
Yeah.
Okay.
back to Agbor. But one thing I don't like about Agbor is that you don't want to work with social media people. It's annoying.
Really?
Yeah, I'm going to call them out for that. One
Okay,
day.
so here's our restaurant.
Okay. Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful. You guys are serve like a breakfast
Yeah,
for the guests. Lunch also.
To driving.
Oh, okay.
Breakfast.
So as an outsider, can I come in just to have my meal or maybe like a lunch or breakfast, or I must be a guest?
As an outsider, you can. That's why
Okay.
it's good driving.
Okay. Wow, actually, it's a nice one. So guys, check out this place. This is amazing. Oh, nice. And they have a lot of buffets, so you can eat till your belly get
Both
filled.
intercontinental African dishes. Which other dish?
Snacks, pastries.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
So here we do a la carte.
A la carte.
Yeah.
For some of us who doesn't know what a la carte is, what is a la carte, please?
The a la carte is not food that is already still. You pay and we prepare the food.
Okay, just prepare.
fresh.
Okay, fresh food.
Yes.
Oh, nice, beautiful. So guys, just check out the arts on the wall. I told you guys I love arts on the wall. So you can see an African woman molding a pot, a water pot. These are some other pictures. There's a painting actually. So it's actually beautiful here. I think we will go from here, so we check out some other places.
So yeah, sorry.
Very,
These are VIP lounge and sometimes use it for club.
okay, for club also.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. So guys, check it out. So that's the VIP lounge / the club. So when do you normally have your club here? Like what days?
Friday.
What time?
From 10.
10 to when?
So Mama call you.
Sit down. Right. Alright, bro. Hold on. So it's actually a nice one. I hope you don't mind being in the camera. Okay, thank you. So that's the bar. You can see they have all kinds of exotic drinks, a lot of beverages. So actually, guys, this is a cool place to come chill off, do your thing whenever you get to Agbor. I'm already loving it. Like, I can't wait to have my own special time here, alone, or with the love of my life. So check out the window. So that's the outside from the window view. Very beautiful. Okay, I think let me wait for Mary to done with the cinematography.
It's not only cinema. With my phone, don't worry, soon.
Thank you, bro.
Drone.
Yeah, so guys, we're done here. We check out.
I love cinematography. I love like.
Oh, you don't do cinematography or what?
You said?
I saw the way you are positioning the angles. Okay. Oh, so guys, they got a gym right here, so we are going into the gym. Check it out.
So when you come here, right, like you want to pay for like your lodging. What does your lodging cover, like the money?
Our little room here is 40,000 there.
Okay.
Also complimentary breakfast, free Wi-Fi, free access to the gym, free access to the swimming pool and some other.
The breakfast and the lunch, is it free?
Just breakfast.
Just breakfast.
Yes.
Okay. Oh wow, this is my zone. This is my zone. This is my zone. Oh wow. So they have a lot of machines here. They have the bicycle machine. I don't know what this one is called. They have the treadmill. Very nice treadmills. Then they have, and that's the the boxing, whatever you guys already know for you boxers. And there are some, you know, you already know dumbbells. So guys, I love this. That's the way we do it. There's one.
Hey, can you do something?
So they have a chest press here and some other machine here that you can use to do the fly. You said is what?
Yes, there's a stepping board.
Okay. So apart from the gym, normal gym workout, you guys have like kind of like a class, like a yoga or maybe?
Yes, we do. We have to instruct them.
Okay, you have instructor. Okay.
We're done for yoga and body.
So if you are not lodging, you can come and pay and then.
Yes, a month is 15,000.
15,000. Oh wow, it's very cheap. Yoga mats. So that's the chest press for you guys that love building up your chest.
Yeah, exactly. That was populous machine.
Yeah. I can see shoulder, chest, everything,
chest,
thighs,
back,
legs,
hips.
everything. Yeah. So multi-purpose. So guys, you can see this is a very,
From this place.
very,
Are you guys the owner of this place?
very, very
So,
beautiful place.
alright. This is Fountainhead Resort. Home away from home. You're gonna relax, forget about your worries, chill. Oh my goodness.
So guys, we're done from the gym and right here. Lillian, is there another place you want to show us? Okay, the reception. So guys, we're gonna check out the reception. So guys, we are in the reception. So that's the reception. Very beautiful. Check out the chandelier. Nice. I think it's kind of like a smart room. Is it a smart room?
What?
Smart room. Yeah. I saw something like digital.
And the smart card.
Oh, the smart card. So guys, we're gonna climb up to check more of the facility. Okay. Actually beautiful. So guys, check out the arts on the wall. Attention to the details. It's a very beautiful place. Oh wow. Beautiful.
Like the lounge section.
Yeah.
Right? Nice.
It's actually very beautiful.
Oh my god, I love this artwork here.
It's not that big, but it's actually very beautiful.
Yeah.
Very nice place to chill.
It's kind of like a private lounge.
Yeah. So guys, let's check out the corridor. Unfortunately, we cannot go through the rooms. I think there are guests in the rooms. I've not seen something like this. This looks so smart for me. So they have here do not disturb, check-in, makeup room, and the bell. So guys, let's get in and see how this room looks like. Oh nice. Oh nice, beautiful. And you are talking about spending your honeymoon in Dubai.
Like a single room, right?
When you have a place like this, you're talking about spending your honeymoon in Dubai or in Paris.
Yeah, this place is actually called Home Away from Home, okay? You get all the energy, all the vibe you get in your private house, you get it here in Fountainhead Resort, okay? So...
So guys, check out the bed. There's a spring in the bed. There's a bouncing bed. So you don't need to worry.
So, oh, I love this walk-in closet.
And that's the closet.
Guys, look at me over here.
Nice one.
Ooh.
Okay.
Wow.
So let's check out the washroom. Oh, guys. Nice. So guys, check it out. So that's the bedroom. That's the water system. That's the mirror.
Oh.
The room actually have a very working space, a very comfort seat and a desk. You can actually lounge and do your work right here. Classic. Are you a classic man? Are you a classic lady? I think this is the right place for you. Come do your thing. So guys, I think we're good from here, and we'll be heading out to see other places. It's been fun. It's been lovely being here. Very nice. Thank you very much, Lillian. I appreciate. I want to have a handshake with you.
I should have.
Thank you. Okay.
In case when you do this.
So guys, we are good from here. Right now, we'll be heading to another location. Come, Mary Moore. How do you feel about this place? What do you think about this place?
I feel good. I feel proud. You know, I'm proud to be an
Agbor.
Agborian. Yeah. So.
Wait, someone from Agbor is called what?
I
said something like no. He said
yeah,
something
yeah,
right now.
it's Agborians we call them,
Okay,
but I don't know
Agborians.
if all Agborians know this.
Okay.
Right from
No,
secondary
they're
school.
annoying.
Right from secondary school, when we want to say, yeah, this person is from Agbor, it's be like, oh, this person is an Agborian.
Oh,
so, yeah.
Agborian.
Just like Nigerian.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I understand. All right, guys. We're going to head to another location. So see you guys at the next location. So currently, guys, I'm at the New Point bar. So bar, here they have they sell all kinds of assorted meats, bush meats, fish, dry fish, pepper soup, and as you can see, it's a very nice and conducive environment to have that kind of meal. So I can't wait to get my belly filled after walking around or tolling around Agbor. Actually, here is kind of located at the Owa Alero in Agbor, and Mary Moore is outside filming, and so we're going to chill off the rest of our day here and maybe continue by tomorrow, maybe, hopefully. And I just want to share this place with you guys and see how this place looks like. So whenever you come around Agbor and you're looking for a very, cool place with a natural vibe, I think New Point Bar is the right place to go. Just take a look at the palm trees surrounding it, giving it a very good shade, so that when you sit and eat your meal, you're gonna enjoy it in a cool temperature. So guys, I'm gonna make my order right now. So they have dry fish, pepper soup, but unfortunately I came here for the bushmeat. But unfortunately the bushmeat have been sold out, is unavailable. And right now I'm gonna go with what they have, which is the dry fish or maybe the pepper soup, and also a very nice palm wine. Owa alero. Owa alero. Now. So yes. So maybe is here. Cinematography. So she's doing her thing. Wow.
This one is okay now. Only the edge.
So dry fish and wait soon I get. Dry fish and pepper soup. How much they sell the fish?
It's 1.5.
1.5 for the parts. I be the full body. You saw you laugh. I say fish they cheap here now.
Eh?
I would say here now. Why I come out, but they said fish they're very cheap here.
It's 1.5.
The pepper soup, unko?
It's a plate is 1,000.
A plate is 1,000. Okay. Guys, our food is here. We have delicious dried fish mixed with some onion and
Is this how it is like?
Powdered chili or something like this.
Chili pepper.
Chili
Chili,
pepper.
yeah.
Yeah, and we have palm wine right here. Let me get a glass of palm. Oh,
sorry.
So that's the palm wine right here.
Okay.
We have some dog here, a visitor.
Say hello.
Right here.
Hey, God. I actually like it.
It's nice, right?
The way your own is doing scattered is nice. My own should do like that.
So, and I think that's it for today. And I think I'm gonna end this video right now. So guys, if you find this video very interesting, you already know what to do. Hit the like button below and share with your family and friends, and also do subscribe to maybe more YouTube channel. I'm going to link her YouTube channel on the description below, so go check out her YouTube and also subscribe to her YouTube. Thank you very much for that, and thank you so much for watching this far, and I really appreciate it. So hit the like button below, share with your family and friends, and subscribe.